Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a crepe. Now when you see this video, you may say, hey, that doesn't look like a professional way to make a crepe. She's not a professional. And you'd be right. I'm a nurse who likes to make crepes, but I'm not a professional. Okay, here we go. I use potato starch. Take a heaping spoon of potato starch, put it in your bowl. Get a few tablespoons of water. Mix in your potato starch. Turn the flame on under your pan to get the pan very hot. Add your egg. Add some salt. You can add a little pepper if you like. Maybe you could add sugar if you want to make sweet crepes. I haven't tried that, but you can experiment. Mix well to incorporate your potato starch in your egg. Get a little oil spray. Spray your pan. Swirl your pan. Keep swirling until your crepe is set. You want to make sure your crepe is set or you'll end up with a scrambled crepe. That'll still taste okay, but it won't look as nice. Looking good. Thank you. And we're done. You can eat your crepe like this, or you can fill it. This is how they look. Beautiful.